Hello and welcome. In this video, we will see how to generate a comparison report of new and old tax regime computation for an employee in Saral PayPack. The process of importing employee declaration forms can be viewed in our earlier video. After importing the details and computing the tax, the comparison of details can be made. To view and compare the tax details in Saral PayPack, go to Tax Regime Summary under TDS Details. In the displayed window, all the employees along with their tax computation with respect to the old tax regime and new tax regime will be displayed. There is an option for switching of new tax regime where the required tax regime can be selected. If these details are required in Excel, then select the employee records which are to be exported and click on Tax Info. The comparison details will be exported to an Excel file. This completes the process of generating a comparison report of new and old tax regime computation for an employee in Saral PayPack. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section below, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.